Hi everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at Purva Palm Beach project, which is located off Hennur Road, Bangalore. So this is the main connecting road in front of the project. This project is built across 19.37 acres of land and offers 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments. It consists of 19 number of towers with G plus 19 floor rise, and total comprises of 1323 number of units. So this is the view of project from the garden area. As here you can see the various towers of Purva Palm Beach. And this is the view of project from the service road. So this is the whole project locality. Now here comes the view of project model. This project is well equipped with all the modern amenities to facilitate the needs of the residents. And as you can see, it is surrounded by lush green environment. So this we are giving you the 360-degree view of this project model. And now we'll give you the interior view of a 3 BHK sample flat. So here comes the living room with attached balcony. And this is the dining hall. Now this is the balcony area. As you can see, the balcony is also spacious. And from here you can take the outside view of the society. And now we are moving towards the kitchen area, and here comes the modular kitchen with separate utility area. As here you can see the wooden cupboards. Now this is the utility area. Now this is the view of first bedroom. The spacious bedroom. So this is the view of kids' room. Separately designed for the kids. This is an attached washroom. Now this is the view of another bedroom. Here you can see the wardrobe section, and here is the dressing area. And this we have an attached washroom with this bedroom with ultra modern fittings. Here comes the common washroom. And this is the third bedroom. So friends, as you can see, the rooms are very spacious and skillfully designed for the comfort of the residents. As in this room you can see the wardrobes. And this is the dressing area. So friends, this we have given you the interior view of a 3 BHK sample flat. Thank you for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visits and booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.